And karon is Jiufen. Na siya. Ay, nara! Check out ang mga shoot. Karon na for kay Shifen. Sure na bakit to. But anyways, naging kaayo kong options! Go! Let's go! So, mag-try ko gachapon and then kanin siya kaduha ka 50. So unboxing. So, first gachapon. Ito ko'y 445. Gamay madi kayo. Tanan! Yo! Matang sa kumbag. So, nana ko dali sa tour. So, dito ang exit 6. And then, matabok lang ka. And then, makita na din mo ang exit 5. And then, dali ang meet up sa tour. Dahil na sila ihatag na sticker para sa ma-identify ka nga part ka sa group. And then, hapit ko na late. Kinagasapon pa ko. But, all good. Kinaabot na ko on time na ko. Pero wala ko yung breakfast. May pagdala na ito ako ang pepper buns kagabi. Wala ko gisa. Napawisa. Anyways. So, yeah. Okay, aparit isa.
400 kilometers and west to east 160 kilometers. Yes, Taiwan is not big. It's a small island, small country. Yes, right? Okay, now just back to.
So, kaya nakaani naman po kahapon and thankfully, timing kayo kay kaulan. Karon medyo kaulan nun siya. Litalit hinagani. But, unta, nindot sila mga photo, but nakaani naman ko. So, pamahaw na ako kay wala ko nakapamahaw. Kaya tungod sa gachapons. So, magkita ko breakfast. And then, mo check po dito sa ilang souvenir area. But so far, puro seafood bago diri. So, wala ko kabalo ko kasi maayong kaunon. Hindi ko pwede mag-seafood early in the morning. And, I don't know. Wala may food. Gusto ko scallion pancakes. Kaya wala ko nakakuhan kaganina ng scallion pancakes or Taiwanese bun. Sige na, bitabok na ako dara. So, yeah. Let's find some food. Dami na kasi food na rin. Ang sida. Dami ka lang ito. Then, naabos sila yung mga crab and lobsters. Ito pa yung mga lobster. Puro rin siya seafood. Oh, toke. Ako 7-Eleven. And let's have breakfast here. I don't know what to eat yet. Different options. So, let's go. Okay, so napalit ka sa 7-Eleven and nakalis na ka to eat my food. Ooh, love it. Love it. Okay. So this is what it looks like. So cool, like, and then what a view, amazing. Let's just people watch. Drink ko sa banana. Yang mana mo hindi pala sa drink. Orange, and then May ako ba? Parang siguro. And then yan. Pork floss na onigiri. And then just some milk. Okay. Good. Very fresh. So, yung bayad ng $2. Sayang, may bigas ng paligid. Anyways, sinagamit lang ako na. So, let's start with onigiri. Lipad siya. Yes. Let's eat. Unang kagat, kanin lahat. May look a judge step. Kanon pa na dilawan. Girl. That. So, kasi di, hindi ko pang gabi imam. So, ganyan lang sa Medium Heart. Pero wala ko choice. Kaon lang ko lang. So, yan, ako pala may pork floss. Ano? stuffed chicken wings. So, na-share rice sa sulod. Then, I'm just staying here kay magida ang trend in 5 minutes. So, yeah, let's eat. my god. For $50.
Great. This one inside is yellow. Pineapple. Here, macoba. Wax apple. Very big, right? Usually one go to the 60. And here, someone will come here, get the lantern back. One lantern, $10. By the Japanese 100 years ago. And you know in Shifen this place, usually we have the coal, C-O-A-L, coal mine here. So Japanese just build a train to transfer the coal from the Shifen to other places of the Taiwan. Okay, so right now.
And then mauni ang pabayad on that other side. So yeah, let's go. Okay, now you can try the famous oolong tea, high mountain tea here.
Oolong tea.
Try, it's free.
Oolong tea.
Thank you.
Okay. Take the picture, later just come back here. Alright? Let's go. And also, you all know this one, right? Xiaolongbao. And here, the same. Famous in Ximanding, we call the Azong rice noodle. Standing each.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one. Okay. And here, chicken feet.
Adidas.
Alright, let's go.
Thank you. Yeah,
Oh, that's so big.
cranberry. Yeah,
谢谢。
it's good for steam, ice, and the butter. Yeah, one more.
Cranberry.
This one,
My
cranberry.
friend, the cup just put here.
Yeah. Same order for me. Yeah, Shifen. You only accept cash?
60.
Cash?
Yes.
Okay.
Only cash.